In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view pull requests on GitHub, an essential skill that will help you manage and track progress in your development projects. Let's dive in and explore this process step by step to ensure you feel confident navigating your GitHub repositories. To begin, you'll want to open the specific repository on GitHub where the pull requests you wish to view are located. This is your first step and sets the foundation for everything we'll do next. Once you're on GitHub, sign in if you haven't already, and navigate to your repositories. Identify the particular repository you're interested in. You might have one or several, so make sure you're on the right one, as each repository will have its own set of pull requests. Click on it to open. Now once you're inside the repository, take a look at the top of the page. Here you'll find several tabs. Issues, Code, and among these is the Pull Requests tab, which is what we need to focus on. Click on this Pull Requests tab. This section is dedicated to pull requests, and it gives you a streamlined view of all activity related to the pull requests in your repository. The page you've landed on will provide a comprehensive overview of the pull requests associated with the repository. Here you can see all open pull requests, those that have been closed, and those that have been merged. Each pull request provides you with essential information. You can quickly glance at details such as the title, which gives you a clear idea of the changes or features proposed, and the author's name, which is helpful to identify who initiated the request. You can also see the current status of the pull request. Is it open and pending review? Has it been closed? Or has it successfully been merged? Moving on, you'll notice information about the branches involved, which is key since pull requests typically involve merging feature branches into main branches. Also, don't overlook the number of commits attached to each pull request. This detail can help you gauge the magnitude of changes being proposed. If you wish to delve deeper into any pull request, simply click on it to open it up. This will take you into a more detailed view, giving you access to the conversation thread, where developers and team members discuss and review the changes. The Commits tab offers a breakdown of all the individual commits included in the request, providing a more granular view of the changes. In the Files Change section, you can see the specific lines of code that have been modified, added, or removed. Additionally, you may review comments and feedback from reviewers under the Reviews tab, offering insights into code critiques or approval status. Finally, don't miss the Merge status, which lets you know if there are any conflicts that need resolution before the pull request can be successfully merged. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge to effectively view and assess pull requests on GitHub, enabling smoother project management and collaboration. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master this process with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!